We've had the ET Lander since January this year, so we've been running it around our gardens for the last 6 months. We have to go between 3 gardens, and in order to do that, there are busy London roads in between. Having a cab that's fully enclosed helps us with the traffic. It's more comfortable to ride in, and the facilities that it offers are perfect for what we need. We often use it for collecting our ton bags to pick up and bring back to our main head office where we have our green waste storage, and also for taking all our equipment over to our garden square or over to the other gardens around the local area. The battery life has been really good. We hardly ever have to charge it. We use it to do lots of short journeys, so you might expect that the batteries would run out maybe slightly quicker, but in fact we found that they last, several weeks for us. We purchased the ET Lander and all our Palenque equipment through RT Machinery, and although it was purchased by the previous head gardener, I've been with the Lander since delivery. Scott came and delivered the Lander and ran through all of the directions on how to use it, which was clear and comprehensive and really helpful. And when we have had any occasional small issues, RT were very helpful and came and rectified those straight away. They also come and do our servicing, which they do on a regular basis, and Greg is very good at making sure everything works. They get the equipment back to us as soon as they can, and generally provide a really good service, always available when we need them. Using the Lander has made life a lot easier going between the gardens and driving on the roads, and even around this garden. It's very comfortable in the cab, it's very manoeuvrable, easy to drive. The features it has make it more like driving a car, so it feels like a bit of luxury, to be honest, and having a radio is really the icing on the cake. I definitely recommend the ET Lander for anyone who's having to drive around roads, particularly between gardens, or if you've got a large area where you need to get from A to B, taking your equipment, collecting bags. It's a really useful vehicle and it's really nice to drive.